YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike back with another video for you guys, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Whitestone Dome Privacy Express Align screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, this screen protector is not going to be similar to what you normally get from Whitestone Dome when it comes to the UV ray installation and the adhesive that you normally have to apply on the phone. This is going to be a more straightforward installation. On the back, we don't really have anything except for just a few things here. Full cover without tilting, high transparency, no colored edges, no dot matrix. Does not affect screen sensitivity, high surface hardness, blah, 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 blah. You can read all the rest of that for yourself. On the front here, easy and simple, vivid clarity, oleophobic coating, scratch protection, high touch sensitivity, and shatter resistant. So let's go on ahead and unbox this thing and let's put it on the phone and see what we get. Now, as you see, we have a 2-pack, so we do get 2 of them in the box. Unboxing knife on deck. And let's go on ahead and find out where we are supposed to open this at. Down here at the bottom. So we're going to just slide that right across there. And we're going to just pop this open here. And inside, as you can see, you're greeted with 2 packs. So we're going to just pull one of them out for now. And this is pretty much going to have everything that you need. Now, this is the screen protector itself. So as you can see, it is a privacy screen protector, which means that when you're looking at the screen dead on, you'll be able to see everything just fine. But as soon as you turn it to the side, that's when you're going to have a few issues. So we put that right there. And let's see if there's anything else in here that we get inside of the box. And it looks like there is nothing else that comes in the box. So let's see. Oh, there it is. It's hiding from us. So inside of the box, you also get a couple of microfiber cleaning cloths. So we have a few of those to wipe the screen off. So we'll separate these and put one of them over here with the screen protector we're going to use. We'll also get some dust absorber stickers. Put that right there. And we get a wet wipe. Put the wet wipe right there. And we'll put the rest of this off to the side. And that's it for that. So now, let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. So if you follow Whitestone's instructions, they always usually tell you to wipe the phone off with the microfiber cleaning cloth first, and then hit it with the wet wipe, and then go back over it with the wet wipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to put this right here for now. I'm going to hit this with a wet wipe real quick. So we're going to pull out this good old Whitestone wet wipe. And we are going to give the screen a good wipe down. Now, as you can see, it's not that big, but once it starts to hit the screen, you guys can see that moisture on it. So this is going to give your phone a really good clean, get that alcohol on your display, get all of that germs and everything off the front of your phone. And one thing I like about these screen protectors is that they are supposed to be good with cases. Now, they may not work with every case, which that's just kind of what you get sometimes, but they're supposed to work with most cases. So we'll try them with a few cases and we'll see how they work in another video. But for now, we've pretty much got the phone wiped off. And I am doing this from behind the camera, so hopefully I don't miss anything, but we're gonna do the best we can. Now, I like to just use the big absorber from the jump. Some people like to use the small one, but I like to just go ahead and get right into the nitty gritty. So I'm gonna just take this sticker and I'm going to go across the entire phone. Looking at it from behind the camera, it doesn't look like I see anything. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put that sticker back on. And now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel this back piece off. And then I'm gonna just apply it to the phone. And then as it says, slide left to right. So we'll slide left to right and then slide up and down. So left to right, up and down, remove sticker. So we'll take this and we'll remove it. And then we'll take the tray off. And boom, this is going to be our screen protector. So now what I'll do is I'll just use this microfiber cleaning cloth over here, and I will just iron out these little air bubbles that we've got on the screen protector. Not that bad, so shouldn't be too difficult to pump out. So we'll just squeeze those out nice and gently. Just push them towards the edge there. It looks like we're getting all of them for the most part. Just got one more little section over here that's being a little stubborn. And that is it. So that is going to be, oh, one more down here at the bottom we missed. So that is going to be the privacy screen protector installation. Now, as you can see, you have a cutout up here for your camera, and that is going to be because, as you can see, when you're looking at it dead on, you can't see anything. However, as soon as I turn it to the side, boom, private, privacy. That is awesome. Now, one thing that I don't like is that there are no black lines along the edge. So as you can see that the screen is illuminated along the side, but it's not that big of a deal to me because the whole purpose of this is to eliminate people being able to see what you're doing on your phone. Now, if you're in public or if you work in a place where, you may have people who just like to glance over, hey, what you doing on your phone, Mike? Well, you don't know because as far as you know, my phone is off. So this is the Whitestone Dome privacy screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'd call this a win. I got the screen protector for less than $20 on Black Friday, and I think you can get it for that price regardless. I think they're just always running a good special on this screen protector. So if you're looking for a quality tempered glass screen protector for your phone, easy installation, and one that offers you a level of privacy on your phone that you won't get from other unknown or kind of off-brand manufacturers, I highly recommend you check out the Whitestone Dome Privacy Express Align Screen Protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is your man, Tech King Mike. Stay tuned for more videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.